In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Notebooklm to 30 language. Changing the output language in Notebooklm is a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in how the tool responds, especially if you are summarizing sources, generating notes, or asking for explanations in a specific language. The key thing to know is that this setting is tied to the notebook experience, so you will start by opening Notebooklm and going into a notebook first. Begin by opening Notebooklm in your browser, then enter any notebook. You can choose an existing notebook you have been working in, or any notebook that is already available to you. Once you are inside, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the notebook interface, not just a home or landing screen. This helps ensure the settings you need are visible. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the settings icon, which appears as a small gear. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel or menu. If you do not see it right away, make sure your browser window is maximized, because some interface elements can shift when the window is narrow. After the settings menu opens, find and click the option labeled Output Language. This is the control that tells Notebooklm what language to use when it generates responses and outputs, such as summaries, explanations, or rewritten text. Clicking Output Language should bring up a list of available languages. Now select your preferred language from the list. Take your time here since many languages may be available. Once you click the language you want, finish by clicking Save. Saving is important because it confirms the change and applies it to your Notebooklm output going forward. After you save, you can do a quick check by generating a short response in your notebook to confirm the output is now appearing in the language you selected. If you ever need to switch again, you will follow the same path. Open a notebook, go to the gear icon, choose Output Language, pick a new language, and save. And that is all there is to it.